What y'all got there? Riley, bring me the bird.
Let it go in.
No, don't let it. No, don't let it go in my truck. Hold
Let
on.
me see it.
Where'd y'all get this little bird at?
Ass. Let me see it. You got
It's a cute little bird.
Let me see if it's fly. Oh, look at me, bitch. Look, some bitches close.
And you're videoing.
It's for my YouTube. Hold on. Ah, that man is munching on them wings, boy.
Is it really going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Let me say hey to the vlog.
Alright.
What up?
What up, folks? Pooh man. Hold on.
Karate kick.
Yeah. No shot.
No, we can't fly.
Oh, look at it. He's flying.
He's flying.
He's perfectly fine.
He's
That,
taking hit.
that bird is perfectly fine.
He landed. Just leave him be. Yeah, he's
Okay, I got to see.
Look, he's sitting over there. He'll get ate by the cat.
Yeah, that bird. No. Away from me. What does it smell like?
Ass. Nasty.
What flavor of wings are those? Lemon pepper?
Why you ask a black man what flavor his wings is? That's racist.
Nigga.
Mine.
It's fuck.
Boy, look at your hands and arms, bro. That's all.
Y'all wanna lick them?
lick
Bitch take good hell. I got some right too.
Right? From where?
That bitch ass plate. Charge me $17 for that bitch ass shit.
Do what? What do you do, Riley? I'm barking.
Hoes bark.
So I'm in town with my bro, and
Really?
he's currently on the phone fussing with his brother. Who it is? Oh, Bradley Rushton.
I'm jacking it.
What?
I'm jacking it. I'm jacking it.
All right. Let's see. Clean the truck up finally on the inside. Look at this bozo clown right here.
Why you going to Medallion, right?
Color match what?
Oh, color match.
Oh yeah, I know.
I need to
This man really bought $400 hits. Don't even use it. This truck is a pavement princess, but it's a high country. So, anyways, y'all follow my boy Riley Born Grover _HC High Country. Also, big shout out to H&W Off Road. That's them boys right there. Fuck SPR. Alright, see you, Bradley. All GMCs. Hey, what do we say to SPR?
No, I ain't gonna put that. I can't say that, but H&W the wave.
Yeah, H&W, where is that?
Oh, here come the rain. Well, I gotta hit to the crab legs. I'm gonna go eat crab legs.
You look like crab legs.
Wait till you smell my fingers when I get back.
Hey, hit a lick for him on the way out.
Oh, I'll hit it.
For the video.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's coming a tire floater. Oh yeah. Hey, do it before it gets rough, man. That's some H&W boys right there, 6.2 liter. Good morning, vlog. Woke up this morning. I was like 8:30. I got to go to my buddy's house. My truck's over there, and we gotta replace the transmission cooler in my transmission. Sorry, there was like a bee or a wasp asking me or something. Anyways, woke up and forgot my truck wasn't here. I left it at his house, and I was like, wait a minute. But then I remembered my buddy Dooley let me drive his truck home last night. So shout out to Dooley. for limit drive, the big old F-250. Alright, guys, we'll see y'all over at Riley's house. Just installed a Shrew Cool thermostat mod on my GMC. Now, we're back at the cribbo. Dooley's truck's still here. Probably still plastered. Anyway, sorry for the angles, but that'll wrap up today's video. Alright, vlog. We're in Auburn, Alabama. And just bought me a new gun. I'll show y'all. It's Mechanics. Pretty good gun. But we're at Fusackley's. It's a pretty good chicken finger place. You should hit them up if you live in the Auburn, Alabama area. Alright, vlog. We are leaving Fusackley's. And like I said, if you live in the Auburn, Opelika area here in Alabama, it's damn good chicken. Like I said, got me a new gun. Got about a 50-minute drive home. When I get home, I will most definitely show y'all new Mechanic I got, 9mm. Very nice. Tungsten. Oh, wrong one. Tungsten aluminum. And all the come with a nice holster and stuff. But got thing chicken in my teeth. Hold on, gotta sit y'all down real quick. Oh, truck's getting back dirty again. I done cleaned it, but anyways, so I will see y'all when I get home. Alright, vlog. I told y'all I was gonna show y'all the gun I got. When I got home, I fell asleep and forgot. I took a shower, so hair's a little mess, but I will show y'all now. Like a hold on, as long as my I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll show y'all the gun now. But yeah, it's a Mechanic TP9 Elite SC. It's a nice tungsten color. Come with all kind of stuff, holster and another mag and everything. I mean, I'm not gonna show y'all that. I mean, I don't care, but it's a nice little gun. So here we go. I ain't gonna show too much. I don't know how YouTube is about this kind of stuff. While I'm up, I know it really don't make them matter, but I thought about it, and my little niece, she's like 13 and pretty artistic. I like Marvel. Thor's my favorite superhero, so she drew that for me, and I appreciate it a lot. Shout out to Clobug, and I love my other niece as well, Bella. Love her to death. Me and my little niece Bella, we're actually gonna do a video soon, trying foods and stuff. Maybe y'all like that. I'm gonna have some more good videos coming out eventually. Just give me time, give me use of this, and yeah, I'll have it. But for right now, yeah, that's my new gun. Really nice. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. Till the next one. Well, see ya.